friends, my name is Rahul Singh. Again you are with me in the new video. In the last video we have learned about this option of transformation features. Okay, so we have learned translation, rotation, symmetry, we have learned about mirror, we have learned about the simple pattern. Okay, rectangular pattern. Now it's turn to move on. This is circular pattern. Okay, so now for circular pattern, what we need to do, we have to select one part. What we need to make the pattern for this part. Okay, we have to select this pattern. Now it is showing, see, in the rectangular pattern it is showing first direction and second direction, but it was a rectangular actually. Okay, now this is axial, reference and crown definition. Okay, so instances 2, instead of 2 I'll give at least 8 numbers. Okay, I'll give, you can give 3 also, more than 8 also. Okay, so no issue. I'll give 360 degree. Okay, so, but this should be 360 total. Okay, so 4 number I can give in this condition. Reference, if you give reference for circular section, this one also, so no problem will be there because it will automatically take the center point. Okay, see, like this. So we have given 4 numbers, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, 45 degree, instead of 4 I'll give 8 number. Okay, see, so now this is circular pattern. Okay, one more option is there. In this you can give the crown definition also. Okay, crown definition means instead of this circle, okay, with this circle one more circle will be there. Okay, like circle 1, circle 2. Okay, see, now inside one circle made by this crown definition. Okay, so objective same, everything is same, but direction, this circle spacing we need to change. Okay, it will go outward. Okay, minus also it can be there. Okay, see, okay, but little bit more is required. See, okay, so this is how we are making the circle pattern. Okay, crown pattern. Okay, now this is user pattern. Okay, for user pattern, for this option, now in this condition, this you have to keep in mind. Okay, now in this condition we have selected this one, then this one. Okay, but we have to select the sketch also now first. Okay, so randomly we have to take this point and suppose this point, and one more I'll take this point. Okay, then now we have to select this one, this. Okay, then these points. Okay, so now you can see on the random stations we have made this. Okay, now we will see the scaling. Okay, scaling means this part, suppose in model, okay, we have to make like 1 times more size, 2 times more size, 3 times more size. Okay, so suppose I want to take 2x times. Okay, for this part. Okay, so I'll choose this part. Okay, so ratio I'll take here 2. Reference, this part I'll take. Okay, so see, on this reference now it is double actually. Okay, so ratio it is showing 2. We can change it here 3 also, 4 also actually. Okay, okay.